Come test drive the 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, keyless ignition, power door locks, fog lamps, power windows, electronic stability control, leather, daytime running lights, head-up display, alarm, rear spoiler. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.